Okay, first, I was more nervous to come live on Facebook than I was to come home to my husband. And he's the one that freaks out about my hair. Oh, you know what? Let me invite. Oh, how do I do it? Somebody help me. How do I invite somebody? Oh, I don't know how to invite anybody. Oh, dang it. I was supposed to invite my friend from back home so she could see me, and I don't know how to do it. Oh, well. Anyway, obviously you can see it is so short. Can you see? Oh, my God. So, oh, that was so weird. All right, let me take this off. Let me take it off. Here it is right here. Ta-da! Hi! So, I left the hair place early, so we're going to go in. Oh my God, my phone is blowing up. We're going to go in and I have to, hi Penny! I have to deepen my roots a little bit. Just because, you guys, trying to get that purple out was insanity. So this is kind of silver. It's gonna, do you see it? There you are, Amanda. I didn't know how, I don't know how to invite. Facebook changed its life and I don't know how to invite anybody. I was trying to invite you in the beginning so you could see it. But, so I don't know. Can you see the green at all? You guys, trying to get that purple out. That was some stuff. That purple held on for 7 hours. Marley is amazing. It's so pretty. Always love the purple. Thank you. You know, I had the purple for a really long time. And a lot of people that I just met were like, oh my God, that's so cool. But I'm like, yeah, it's been like months and months and months. And I get really bored really easily. And so I was like, okay, I want to change. But the only way back to normal, almost, like this is going to be more charcoal in there. And it's going to be deeper. And then this will be like lighter. It was some stuff. I don't really see any green. You don't see it? When I was getting ready in the in my little office, it looked so green to me. Hi, Karen. Hi, Kristen. Thank you. You guys, I cut off inches and inches and inches. Look how much is gone. Like, do you see it? I had to cut off some. Look at what Lexa got me for my birthday. You guys can't see it. It's a Kendra Scott necklace. Is she the sweetest thing? It's iridescent. Thank you, Lashonda. I was a mess. I came home. My hair was super short. I thought my husband was going to have a heart attack. Like, he was like, where'd all your hair go? I have pictures. I don't see any green at all. Thank God. Listen, Marley is a friggin' miracle worker. I'm sure she's going to see this. I should tag her. Poor thing. Like, this was some work. Yeah, Penny, like, remember when we were little kids and you literally, that was the way I described it last night. I was like, do you remember when you were like swimming and then our first day of school we're like under those fluorescent lights? Green. It was scary green. Like, I was like, oh. And she's like, oh. It was like one of those things that I was like, oh my God, I'm going to be green for a month. I really thought so. Oh, I'm missing so much. It still looks healthy. Yeah, Karen, she's a freaking miracle worker. She lifted me twice. So lifted the color twice. Like we had to tone it. She like had to do all this stuff, then put the color in. I mean, it was something. Oh, thank you, Tiara. It was crazy. Hi, Anna. Oh my God, it was a mess. Like, I took pictures of all the green hair in the front. My hair was long, and we had to. It was like, okay, it's either let's chop this green out and work on it, or let's just like start over. And I'm like, okay, we'll just start over. What did I do? Oh, it was bad. It was so bad. Like, it was so embarrassing. My ends were green from my 5-day washout burgundy color. Was it? You know, we were talking about that too. Thank you, Anna. I feel, you guys, you know when you like cut your hair and like you're like washing your hair? I used way too much shampoo. Like, it was like, this is different. Like, I'm used to like being able to like do stuff and move my hair around, and I'm like, oh, I don't have any. So that's different. Hi, Barbie Jackson. How are you? Why was it green? Okay, so I have, you know, my hair was purple. So then when I was using something called conditioner, and the conditioner put like blue, like, it's hard to explain, but it had a blue base. So it was when we were trying to pull the blue out, because blue, you know, is one of the hardest colors to get out of hair, like so hard. When we pulled the blue, it like lightened to green. And it was like, you know, one of those like, holy, what the am I gonna do? You know what I mean? Like, I was like, and I text my husband, he's like, what do you mean, like leprechaun green? Like, what does that mean? I was like, it's green. Like, oh, it was crazy. Thank you, Harvey. I cut my ends off yesterday. Oh my God, Karen, you keep doing your own hair. You're killing me. I was just telling Marley yesterday. I was telling her, like, a friend of mine, like cuts her bangs and does her hair. And I'm like, I need to figure this out. Like, I figured out everything else. I need to figure that out. Like, how do you do that? Oh, hi, Becca. Thank you. Yeah, it was literally one of those moments where I, like, let me see if I can find the picture. I looked down and I took a picture and I was like, oh my God, how am I going to go live? I was like, I'm not going to go live for like a month. I got to figure this out. What am I going to do? But it was all right. At like 7:30, because you know yesterday was my birthday. Oh my God, you guys, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. My phone died like 3 times. I was like, oh, it was so sweet. And but we were supposed to go out. So at 7:30, she's like, dude, just leave. And I'm going to come in on Monday and we're just going to deepen that a little bit. Just so it like is more, it's like a charcoal type thing. Do you know what I mean? Like when she is so good at like blending stuff. So she's going to blend it down. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Kimberly. You would have worn a hat. I know. We were literally sitting there thinking like, okay, what kind of hat can I wear every time I'm like going outside? Listen, I do everything online, so I wouldn't have to go to the store. Oh, I'd have to go to the post office. But other than that, I was like, the only thing I'm worried about is live video. I wasn't even worried about coming home. Like, I walked in the door, and the only thing Tommy said was like, where did your hair go? What did you do? Like, because it was like, you know how long it was? I had to chop it so bad. I'm so tempted to dye my hair. I haven't put color in it forever. Thank you, Becca. You should. It's fun, but be prepared if you like vivids. I'm a vivid girl. I do a lot of vivids. It might be a struggle bus to get it out. Just saying. I'm not saying anything about like color people or the color companies, color people. Jeez, why do I put my foot in my mouth every time I'm like color, like companies? Like, I don't know what's a good one or a bad one or whatever, but that conditioner put some blue in this ish. I'm telling you, it was crazy. Hi, Lindsay. Thank you. I'm terrible at being a girl. Listen, small changes. Throw some glitter on and you're like a girl like that. I swear to God. I can't believe I just said that. I don't even know why I come live. What is my problem? I'm just like, woo, let me get my foot out of my mouth. Anyway, thank you guys so much. So it's like silver-ish. I'm going to go back in a few weeks and we're going to lighten it again. Because I'm really going for like, I want my ends to be super silver crazy. That's just kind of my jam. Like, I want it to be really like, I want like shadow root all the way down. But you can only do so much to your hair before it wants to fall out. You know what I mean? I'm like, I don't want my hair to fall out. Glitter fixes everything. Yeah, girl, it does. I'm telling you. I'm such a, oh my God, I can't believe I said that. This is so embarrassing. Anyways, do you guys love this? Look what my baby bought me. She brought it up to me and she bought me a mug that said boss lady. Okay. She brought it up to the freaking salon. She brought it to the salon yesterday when I was there for like 8 hours. Poor Marley. That girl, when I'm there. Like, it's an all-day affair. We are hanging out. Like, we might as well go to dinner, have a couple drinks, come back. Like, she does the dang thing. So, this is all Marley, y'all. Anybody in the Lou, in St. Louis area, I'm telling you, go see her. She's amazing. She does amazing work. I'm going to tag her so she knows and she sees, because she is a miracle worker. She was like, girl, you know you ain't leaving here green. I'm not letting you leave your green. Thank you, Jennifer. Yeah, the cut was needed, though. You know what I mean? Like, I needed to cut it. I was kind of sad. I like doing put it on top of my head and not worry about it. But I go in the 3rd, but I do purple always. You know what? She was like, what do you mean you're not doing purple? Because I've been purple for a minute, like a while. I want to say like probably a good 4 appointments, 3 or 4. And so it's been like a long time. And I was like they were all ready for me to be purple. And I walked in, I'm like, I don't want to be purple. And so they had to like go to the state store, get all kind of stuff. They didn't have enough stuff. Poor things. They deal with me. Listen, I'm a lot, you guys. I'm a lot to deal with. I already know I am. Like, it's just like, you see me walk in, you're like, oh, here we go. It's her. So bless them. I love them. They're amazing up there. I want to go platinum. Yeah, that's what I was working on. But I couldn't do too much, because my hair would just have been fried. Like, totally fried. Trying to get the purple out, it would have been fried. So extra. Extra like guac, okay? Hi, Caitlin. How are you? Happy Saturday. So anyway, y'all, thank you for having on. It's Saturday. I never come live on the weekend. Y'all are too sweet. I was like, oh, I'll just wait till Monday when I finish it. And I'm like, I'm going to go live on a Saturday. Hi, Vanessa. Thank you. Look, I'm silver. I'm a silver fox. I've always wanted to say that. I'm a silver fox. Anyways, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. I was literally blown away. I had to plug in my phone at the salon the whole day. You guys are so amazing. I love you so much. And when I get it different on Monday, well, I go live anyway on Monday for, look at what I did for my birthday. Mama go live Monday anyway for my normal mani. So I'll show you guys, you know, what else we do. We're going to make it darker. Thank you, Tabitha. What did I miss? Michaela likes it. Oh, hi, Michaela. How are you? All right, you guys. I love you so much. I'm going to go. I need to go to the post office. I got some ish to mail out. I said ish. Don't think I said something else. I love you guys so much. You're so sweet. And I'll see you maybe tomorrow, maybe on Monday. I don't know.